Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So, Ayurveda was started in 2002 to take something which is Indian, which is traditional and had proven efficacy out to the world. We grew slowly because we work with authentic Ayurveda. And in 2012, we opened our first store in Delhi. We're now at about 52 stores of our own and about 75 shop in shops, about 125 outlets. Sorry, 125 outlets in India. We are hoping to start taking this abroad next year, slowly. This is actually our second store. We have a small counter at Mall de Goa, but this is our first standalone store in Goa, which we're very excited about. And we are also opening at the airport, at Double M Airport.
So this is second or third?
This is the first standalone,
Okay.
and the next one will be at Double M Airport, and then hopefully at the new airport in Mopa. And then, depending on how it goes, we'll also maybe open somewhere in north, in the towards where the beaches are. So, there are a lot of tourist population is there, which may not come to Panjim. So we'll hopefully open there also. We're very excited about being in Goa. I think it's a very educated population, and I think. An educated population usually is quite conscious about what they put on their body, and we hope that they would be interested in going the Ayurvedic way of using Ayurvedic products for their skin, for their hair, for their body, and all the issues that they have, because our products have a problem solution, and we have clinical trials to prove that your hair does stop falling or your pigmentation does get reduced, and we're hoping that the people over here would be attracted to products like this and would enjoy using them. Thank you.
Many Ayurveda products already in Goa. So
Are there many other?
Yeah,
I have no idea. I don't know. I mean, we are here because I think I think as a brand, we're at the premium brand. I think we're the only one, and so this is our first time that we're here. I would say in a premium space. I think we're one of the few players, and I think for us, it's in this category. I don't think there's anybody else here at the moment.